How to add college on Snapchat profile. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. First, you want to open up the Snapchat app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now from here you should find add college button right next to your zodiac sign. If you do not find this option, you want to update your Snapchat app. For that, head over to App Store or Play Store and then tap on the update button. If even after updating your Snapchat you're still not getting this option, then it might be because this feature is not available in your location. So if that option is available, it is going to look something like this. So you're going to find the add college button, tap on it, then tap on add college one more time. Now the first step here is to add your college. So for this you will require an email address that ends with .edu. So go ahead and type in your email address. This will be used to find your college. You'll need to access this email so you can receive a verification link. Verifying your email makes it easier for you and your friends to find each other on Snapchat. After this, the next step is to select the date of the year when you graduate. So go ahead and select that, then tap on the next button at the bottom of your screen. After this, you need to tap on done, and once you do that, you will successfully add college on your Snapchat profile. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.